students, today in this video we are going to study about white light. In our earlier video we discussed that light moves in the form of electromagnetic waves and they having different wavelength, and we are only able to see this 700 to 400 nanometer wavelength, which is we are able to see that wavelength, and that is called visible wavelength. And this visible wavelength is consist of these 7 colors, these 7 bands of colors, that is VIBGYOR, that is your violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And when these 7 colors of different wavelength of light, when these band 7 colors, that is called band of 7 colors, when they get together, they mix together and they form a white light. So these band of 7 color mix together, they combine together and form a white light. So whatever the light we are seeing, that is visible, ordinary, simple white light, actually it is made up of these 7 bands of color, that is your VIBGYOR. And this is only the visible wavelength that we are able to see. So we can define that the white light is a visible light or electromagnetic radiation which consists of visible wavelength. So this white light, it is a one light which is composed of these 7 bands of color. So they composed of this VIBGYOR. So I already illustrated here that this VIBGYOR, we know that V, that is your violet, having a 400 wavelength, near about 400, and red having 700 nanometer wavelength. So these 7, from violet to red, these 7 colors, when they combined, they form a white light. Now next we are going to study about the spectrum of light. Spectrum of light is basically the band of 7 colors when the light split. So let's see what is the spectrum of light first. That this is the prism, and we know that prism, what is prism? Prism is a simple optical instrument. Optical instrument which is of triangular in shape. You are able to see here the prism is of triangular shape and made up of glass, and basically used to refract or split the lights. So prism is basically a glass shaped triangular optical instrument that is used to refract or split the light. So what you are seeing, that this is your white light. This is the white light. When this white light passes through the prism, so white light, we can say that this white light, and this is your air medium and this is your glass medium. So what happens, we know that when any light passes from one medium to another medium, they get refracted or they get bent. So what happens actually when this white light passes through the prism, this triangular shaped prism, then what happens, they get bent or refract with the different angles. And why they refract from in different angles? Because of different wavelength. This is the symbol for the wavelength. So these VIBGYOR, these 7 band of 7 colors, have different wavelength, and due to that they are with different angle, they are bent. So they are getting bent in the different angle. So you are able to see here that this R, red color bend least, this R, red color bend least, and the this violet bends most. So violet bends most with bigger angle, and red bends least. So due to the different wavelength of different colors of light, they bends with a different angle. Now, and when these light, you are able to see that this white light when passes through the glass, they are splitting into different colors in different wavelength of light. That is your VIBGYOR. So here the red color, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. So they are splitting into this 7 bands of color, and that is called the spectrum of light. So simply we can say that the 7 band of colors, that is VIBGYOR, is the spectrum of light. So we can say that splitting of light gives a spectrum of light. Splitting of light gives spectrum of light. And here we know that red is of 700, wavelength is 700 nanometer, and here violet is the 400, and red always refract or bend with the least angle, least refract, and violet always refract with a bigger angle, and or we can say that it refract most. So here I have already pointed out that red bends least and violet bends most. Now here we are going to see something related to the wavelength and frequency. As we know that if the wavelength increases, this is the sign for the wavelength. When wavelength increases, the frequency get decreases. When wavelength increases, frequency get decreases. So when red light have longer wavelength, we know that here 700, longer wavelength, it means it have lower frequency. So what is this frequency? Frequency means that the vibration of the particular wavelength of light, the vibration. So if anything is very longer, then they vibrate very less. In the same case, in violet, what happen? They having shorter wavelength, it means they having more frequency. Means those who are shorter wavelength, they vibrate more, and those which are longer wavelength, they vibrate less, means the frequency get less. So here the red color having the longer wavelength, it means its frequency is very less, and the violet having shorter wavelength, it means it having more frequency, means it vibrates more. And this 7 color bands of 7 color of light, that is called spectrum of light. And the phenomena what happens here, the light, white light passes through the glass prism, and then they split up and they produce the spectrum of light. This phenomena, this process is called dispersion of light. What we called it? Dispersion of light. So dispersion of light, it is a process or phenomena in which light, when passes through the glass prism, they split and they produce the spectrum of light. And the spectrum of light means the band of 7 colors. So this is all about the white light, that it is white light. In simple words we can say that white light is a band of 7 colors. So this is all about the white light.